nuts, that's going to actually pull this side part off as well, so it holds the bar and this side on. So just like so, not too tight, like so, and then this should just come off just like that. So now you just need to carefully remove the chain. You don't want to get caught by it or get cut. Just unloop it like so. So before continuing, I'm just going to give this a good cleaning here, make sure that all debris and any oil that's kind of gunked up in here is cleaned off. So there we have it. I cleaned off the bar, I cleaned off in here as best as I could. I cleaned off on the inside of the cover as well. I just used a rag and a brush and just cleaned it out as best as I could. So now it's time to get the chain back on. You want to make sure you get the chain on the correct way. So on the side, it actually has a little symbol of how the chain link should look and in the direction that it's going to be going in. Now the new chain also comes with an arrow on it as well, so that's nice and handy so you don't mess it up. So let's see if we can, just right there's a little arrow. So you know that it's going to go on the right way, and that lines up with what the cover says. So now carefully need to put this on the bar and around this bottom end here, and making sure that it actually connects in properly. No correct way to really do this, but I do like to hook it around the back here first and then onto the top of the bar. Now it can be a little bit fiddly if the bar is sticking out a little bit like it is, so you just have to work with it and just make sure that you slot it in nicely, and then that it actually catches around the back, and then get it in there like so, and it's all the way around. And you just need to pull that bar out until it's tight, making sure that it stays in the groove on the bar. So it can get a little bit difficult. It's almost like you need a couple of pairs of hands here, but you just hold that tight like that, make sure it spins, which it does. So I'm going to hold that in position like that. This is where it comes in handy to have adjusted the adjustment pin already, because it's going to be slightly further back than it was on the previous chain. So I'm just going to grab the cover now and line them up. Oh, perfect. I adjusted that adjustment screw perfectly, and I'm just going to put these nuts on to make sure that it holds it in place, but not tight. I want to adjust this properly first. And then while this is still a little bit loose here, you're going to want to make sure that you tighten this up. So just turn it to the right, and you'll see the chain just taking up all that slack. Now you don't want to over tighten it. You see it pulling the bar up like that, and then I can tighten these nuts up.